Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. My name is Ariel and this is day 9 of my 25 days of Christmas playlist, and today I'm just taking some Dollar Tree garland that I actually put together last year and I'm jazzing it up a little bit. So I'll show you. So as I already mentioned, this is actually some Dollar Tree garland. Now, if you have ever purchased or seen Dollar Tree garland before, it's 9 feet garland, but it's actually very, very thin. So what I did, I think it was either last year or the year before, I wrapped or twisted, I either twisted or braided 3 to 4 strands of the Dollar Tree garland together and made this fuller looking garland. And then I had just added in some red berry garland. So that's what I was starting with as my base for this, and then I had these pine cone ornaments, which you've probably seen in some of my previous videos as a part of this 25 days of Christmas playlist. I will have the playlist linked below, and I had these red and black and silver ornaments left over from the red ornament wreath that I made in this playlist as well. So since I had those left over from making my cousin's wreath, I decided to use that to make her a matching garland. And so I've added the leftover ornaments and the tinsel and some pine cones to create this beautiful garland. On this channel, I do budget-friendly home decor and home improvement projects. I do thrift flips and shop with me videos and hauls, and you'll find all of that in my 25 days of Christmas playlist, so please be sure to check out the link below. Please consider subscribing, leave me a like if you like this video, and please leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Have a wonderful holiday.